Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of social media etiquette. Specifically, we will guide you how to tag someone on Facebook. Whether you want to thank a friend or highlight someone's presence in a photo, tagging is a powerful tool. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook application. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. If you didn't sign in automatically, sign in with your credentials. Step 2. Tap the "What's on your mind" prompt at the top of your news feed or timeline. You'll see a text box that says, "What are you thinking?" or something similar. Step 3. Start typing the name of the person you want to mention. When you type at or any letter, Facebook will suggest suitable profiles. Choose the right one. You can even use a nickname if your friends have that name in their profile. Step 4. Tap next, and once share when you are ready to publish. The person in question will receive a notification, and their friends, even if they aren't your friends, can read the post. Hope this information will help you. Thanks for watching.